Make a great choice today with the 2022 Equinox. This vehicle is powered by a four-wheel drive, four-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, remote engine start, traction control, stability control, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touch screen display, upholstery, contrast stitching, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, audio, speed sensitive volume control, cruise control, cargo area 12-volt power outlet, vehicle assistance app, roadside assistance, multifunction display.